So today I'm going to teach you how to use Mendeley Desktop with 4K screen or other high resolution screens. So if we open the Mendeley without doing anything, what you can see is that the fonts and the UIs are extremely small, barely readable. That is not what we want. So what we can do is that we can right click on the icon and choose properties and compatibility. Click on change high DPI settings. Click on the override high DPI scaling behavior and choose system enhanced. Click OK and don't forget to click apply. Let's see what has changed. So now the UI and the font is perfectly readable, although the resolution is slightly lower than before, but that is perfectly useful now. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.